I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone so live animation can run reliably. Sign into your MI account in Themes, disable Battery Saver, and allow background activity. Once done, open the Themes app and go straight to Wallpaper, then Live. You choose a live wallpaper preview to inspect motion and performance. This is important because some files are high power. Tap the preview to load options and proceed. That first tap kicks off the installation sequence so the system can apply the live resource. You now select the live wallpaper and configure how it runs. Tap Preview, then Apply, and choose whether it appears on Home, Lock, or both screens. Make sure to open the live wallpaper settings, reduce frame rate, or set it to pause at low battery so performance stays smooth. Grant any required permissions like storage or overlay. MIUI sometimes blocks background launches without them. Once configured, confirm Apply so the system writes the wallpaper into the launcher and wallpaper services. You finish by confirming Apply and immediately checking the home and lock screens for motion and responsiveness. If the wallpaper stays static, make sure the launcher is allowed to run. Go to Settings, Apps, Launcher, Clear Cache, and reopen Home. If that fails, reboot the phone and disable battery optimization for themes and the launcher so Android won't suspend the live engine. This one troubleshooting tip, turning off battery optimization, fixes most cases where the wallpaper won't animate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.